and questions indicate whether they have a falling or rising intonation by checking the appropriate box.
Examples.
I feel fine. Can you sing?
1,
When's your birthday?
2,
Did you see my friend?
3,
How are you?
4,
I'm fine, thank you.
5,
Why were you absent?
6,
Can you have dinner?
7,
How do you know?
8,
I don't like beets.
9,
Where is my pencil?
10,
Will you drive me home?
Use falling intonation with statements and commands. Listen and repeat.
1. I'm studying.
2. I'm studying English.
3. Do it today.
4. Do it later today.
5. She's going home.
6. She's going home tomorrow.
7. I'll call the doctor.
8. I'll call Dr. Chen.
Use falling intonation with WH questions. Listen and repeat.
What's his name?
Why did you leave?
Where are you going?
What are you thinking about?
How are you doing?
Use rising intonation with yes-no questions. Listen and repeat.
Did he work yesterday? Does he know about it? Can you call me at 5? Is it good? Is that it?
Use rising intonation when naming items on a list or when offering choices, except for the last item or choice. For the last item or choice, use falling intonation. Listen and repeat.
1. He went to England, France, Spain, and Russia.
2. The children want pens, pencils, paper, and glue.
3. Do you want water or soda?
4. You can come with us, or you can stay home.
5. I'd like blue, red, brown, and yellow crayons.
Listen to the difference in intonation between these two sentence pairs. The first sentence has falling intonation, which indicates that the thought has ended. The second sentence contains rising intonation, indicating that the thought has not ended.
I bought the book.
I bought the book, but I didn't read it.
I finished school.
When I finished school, I moved to New York.
I'll study hard.
If I study hard, I'll get an A.
I'm going inside.
I'm going inside to get something to drink.
Use falling rising intonation with introductory words such as actually or by the way. Since these types of words indicate that a thought is not finished, this intonation is appropriate.
As a matter of fact, I do know the answer.
As far as I'm concerned, you did great.
Actually, it was pretty good.
In my opinion, it's too expensive.
If you don't mind, I'd like to close the window.
Listen to Michael asking Nora to buy some things at the supermarket. Notice how Nora's voice rises on the first choice and falls on the second choice in her question.
Can you get some cornflakes?
Do you want a large or small box?
Listen to these tongue twisters. How many syllables are there in each? Write the number. Then listen again and repeat.
Example. She sells seashells on the seashore. 1. Walter walked towards the waiter. 2. Betty bought a better bit of butter. 3. The fat cat sat on the vet's wet hat.
Listen and choose the word with a different stress pattern from the others.
Example.
Money, machine, mountain, message.
1. Answer. Agree. Allow. Attract. 2.
Middle, minute, mission, mistake.
3. Compare. Correct. Copy. Collect. 4.
Garden, granny, guitar, grammar.
5. Complete. Common. Careful. Crazy. 6.
Pronounce, provide, promise, prefer.
7. Shampoo. Shoulder. Shower. Shopping. 8.
Reason, remove, receive, review.
Listen to these examples. You will hear each word twice, first as a noun and then as a verb.
Record, record. Contrast, contrast. Desert, dessert. Export, export. Object, object. Present, present. produce, produce. Protest, protest. Rebel, rebel.
Sentences for practice. You will hear both a noun and a verb form in each of these sentences. Notice the stress changes.
The singer wants to record a new record.
The drug addict is addicted to heroin.
He insulted me with a rude insult.
I would like to present all of the present members.
This permit permits you to park your car here.
They protested in the protest.
Do you object to this object?
The convict was convicted again.
I suspect that they caught the suspect.
They are going to contest the results of the contest.
Listen to these pairs of numbers and repeat them with the correct stress.
30, 13. 40, 14. 50, 15. 60, 16. 70, 17. 80, 18. 90, 19.
Listen and choose the dates you hear.
A. She died in 1870.
B. He was born in 1930.
C. It began in 1415. D. The company was founded in 1918.
E. They were married in 1540.
F.
It was published in 1719.
Listen and repeat these words.
1,
Shoe store.
2,
Post office.
3,
Office building.
4,
Bus stop.
5,
Library book.
6,
Grocery store.
7,
Snowstorm.
8,
Frying pan.
9,
Bookstore.
10,
Tennis courts.
11,
Bedroom.
12,
Backpack.
13,
Desk lamp.
14,
Park bench.
15.
Dining room.
Exercise 2, Part A. 1,
2012 Elm Street.
2,
1102 Elm Street.
3,
1000 Elm Street.
4,
972 Elm Street.
5,
2061 Pine Road.
6,
1015 Linda's Lane.
7,
900 Linda's Lane,
8,
114 West Avenue,
9,
100 Main Street,
10,
213 Main Street,
11,
110 East Avenue,
12,
52 East Avenue,
Listen and repeat these words.
Paintbrush, alarm clock, shower curtain, bookcase, desk lamp, orange juice, tomato sauce, can opener, light bulbs, toothpaste, measuring tape, dish towels, cookbook, answering machine, frying pan, washing machine, garbage can, salad dressing,
When a word changes from a noun to a verb or adjective or adverb, frequently the stress placement changes as well. Listen to these common words that non-native speakers tend to mispronounce. Politics, political, politician,
photograph, photographic, photography,
compete, competitive, competition,
economy, economical, economize,
Democrat, democracy, democratic,
family, familiar, familiarity,
necessary, necessarily, necessity,
hospital, hospitality, hospitable,
origin, originality, original,
mechanic, mechanism, mechanical,
define, definition, definitely,
vary, variety, variation,
courage, courageous,
probably, probability,
geography, geographic,
memory, memorial,
Canada, Canadian,
Ignore. Ignorance.
Listen and repeat these sentences.
He likes politics.
He wants to be a politician.
I love photography.
Do you take a lot of photographs?
He studied economy.
He's an economical shopper.
Do you know that family?
Yes, they're familiar to me.
He's a very good mechanic.
He's fixing the mechanism.
Their opinions vary.
There's a variety of opinions in the room.
We celebrate Memorial Day.
It's in memory of the veterans.
Do you know the origin of your name?
No, it's pretty original.
He's a registered Democrat.
He watched the Democratic debate on TV.
It's not necessary to do that.
I don't necessarily agree.
He likes to compete.
He's always been very competitive.
Listen, check and repeat.
What do you want? Give me a call. What did she say?
The bus was late. The water's cold. It's cold and wet.
Come and look. Where's the car? What's the time?
Close the window. Nice to see you. Phone and tell me.
Listen to these sentences and repeat them. You will hear each sentence 3 times. The speaker will highlight a different word each time.
1A. I watched a French movie on TV last night. B. I watched a French movie on TV last night. C. I watched a French movie on TV last night. 2A. My new computer isn't very fast. B. My new computer isn't very fast. C. My new computer isn't very fast. 3A. I tried to call you at home this morning. B. I tried to call you at home this morning. C. I tried to call you at home this morning.
Listen to the following paragraph, paying close attention to the stress patterns. Then read the paragraph aloud, recording your reading to see if it sounds natural.
Learning to speak a language is a little like learning to dance. They both take a long time to master, but are fun from the beginning. Both require interaction with another person who is saying or doing something different. Fluent speakers and good dancers don't have to think about their skills. They perform them naturally. To acquire these skills, you need a lot of practice and patience. Encouragement from someone else helps a great deal.
Now, repeat the paragraph, one phrase at a time, after the speaker.
Learning to speak. A language is a little like learning to dance. They both take a long time to master, but are fun from the beginning. Both require interaction with another person who is saying or doing something different. Fluent speakers and good dancers don't have to think about their skills. They perform them naturally. To acquire these skills, you need a lot of practice and patience. Encouragement from someone else helps a great deal.
Here is another paragraph. Listen to it, noting the speaker's stress patterns. Then read the paragraph aloud, recording your reading and comparing your stresses with those of the speaker.
Last May, we had a surprise party at my house for one of my friends. It was his 50th birthday. We invited about 30 people, and most of them were able to come. One couple even traveled all the way from New Jersey. Several people who'd been away for a long time were here. Most of the guests hadn't met each other before the party, but they were having a wonderful time talking during the half hour before the birthday man arrived. It seemed that a very special person was a magnet for other special people. When he got here, he was really surprised and happy to see so many friends. It was a good party.